Hello everyone, welcome today on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend Saturday, August the 28th, 2021 here. Yes, Saturday, August 28th, 2021. We have here two regular Sudokus, Medium Sudoku and a Quintuplet. Yes, Quintuplet. 5 Sudokus merged into a one big Sudoku. And I've told you earlier, this one I won't solve them anymore because it will take me more than an hour to solve. So today only one regular Sudoku Medium. And we have also an additional. Yes, this is the additional with extra Sudokus. Bonus Sudokus or bonus puzzles. And there are 6 of them. We have here the first one, letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, 3-star Sudoku, a tectonic with 4 stars. Saturday, August the 28th, yes. Then we have a binary puzzle and a tectonic with 1 star. And what I will do is today, on Saturday, I will solve this regular Sudoku. And today on Saturday I will also solve 3 out of 6 of the extra Sudokus, and tomorrow on Sunday I will continue with the other 3. Alright, so let's get started. And this one will be a number 33010. Yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars in additional, this will be a 1 star. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright. So, let's get started. Let me position the camera. I need more space, yes. Alright. Saturday. Let me think. Let me pause. Okay. Yes. No. Position the camera. Alright. Let me count which number I will pick. Let me count 3 ones. 4 twos. 1, 2, 3 threes. 2 fours. 3 fives. 3 sixes. No sevens. 4 eights. And 4 nines. Alright. 4 and an 8 and a 4. Alright. So, we have an 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there ain't no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 4 twos. We have a 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Alright, and now I cannot continue with the 2. How about the 9 in the last column? 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And we have a pair. 2 and the 9 in this row. 2 and the 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 and the 9 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 9, let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Then in the last row, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8. We have 4 and 8 in this big square, so no 4 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright, so what are the other pair? We have the 2 and a 9 there, 4 and an 8. So these 2 boxes should be reserved for the number 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7, we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. Alright. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Alright, 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. I'm not finished with the 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column above, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. Alright. Then. How about, yeah. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So on the row above, the only place for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 5. Alright. Alright. Let me see. How about the 3 in this column, the 3 in the last column? So the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there, because this box is reserved for the 4 and 8. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third column. 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Okay. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about the number 6 in this column, third column, 6 in the second column? So the first column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. Then yeah. One number left in this second column for the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9. Alright. So we have a 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row below. The only place for the 9. Should be there. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 2. Alright. 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. Here, 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 2 and digit number 3, number 2. Right. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9's are used. I can see this number 4, number 9. Okay. One number left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers are missing in the first row for the numbers 1, 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 4. 7 and the 4 we see here. 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be an 8. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So that column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 4 should be there, and all the 4's are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7, and the 8 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6, and the 7 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7, and the 8 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. And now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be an 8. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 1, 2, 3 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and an 8. 3 and an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The center big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Yes, correct. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the extra Sudokus in additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.